My name is Dr. Munaf Hashim. I am the owner of Nas Dental Practice. We have three branches, one in Lahore, 200 Y Block, one in F7, house number 23, Bithai Road, and one in Bahia Town, Phase Civic Center. Our practices are fully equipped to perform each and every dental procedure. We are doing each and every procedure in relation to cosmetics, surgery, rehabilitation, everything. The most common problem in dentistry is gum disease, and most of the people in Pakistan have no idea how significantly damaging it is to our body. The bacteria which causes gum disease is the same bacteria which causes heart problems, diabetes, preterm low birth weight babies in pregnant women, and now they're relating it to Alzheimer's. So gum disease is very significant. Pakistan people mostly neglect it, thinking that scaling and polishing is bad for the gums. People of Pakistan believe in an old wives' tale that scaling and polishing damages your teeth. Dant ghis jate hain, which is absolutely wrong. Scaling and polishing is the treatment of the gums. And the side effect to scaling and polishing is that your teeth get cleaned. So it is mandatory. Dentistry in Pakistan is as advanced as anywhere else in the world. We are following all international protocols and materials which are used in this field, and we are performing all procedures which are conducted all around the world. We have a problem with Pakistan about the home remedies which we use and how our elders actually keep on guiding us on using, like for example, maswak is better than toothbrushing, which is absolutely wrong. I personally believe if our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam had toothbrushes at that time, he would be using a toothbrush rather than a maswak. But then again, it wasn't made then. In the same way, people use baking soda on their teeth to whiten them, which is very wrong because it tends to demineralize your tooth structure and actually makes them extremely weak and sensitive. There are other procedures like there are a lot of other things like massaging your gums with haldi and everything, which actually in a way stains your teeth and tends to make them more yellow. So please have faith in knowledge, in the new researches, and follow them. Now, as far as food intake is concerned, no, there is no food which is bad for teeth. But yes, if you don't keep them clean, then every food is bad. High carbohydrate content food, like for example, sugary stuff and everything, all those kinds of nutritions would actually be more damaging to the teeth if you don't keep them clean, because that is the food source for the bacteria which decays the teeth. Now, in the same way, if you are on a high protein diet, the fibers which are stuck between your teeth, if you don't floss them out, they will cause you gum problems like swollen gums. We have हमारी ईद के दौरान जो बड़ी ईद में सबसे ज़्यादा बेसिक प्रॉब्लम यही होता है कि most of the people have swollen gums. The problem lies not with the meat, the problem lies with your cleanliness. Brushing your teeth is not only the only thing which would actually clean your teeth, it would be flossing as well. So please keep your oral hygiene nice and have anything you want. My message to the people of Pakistan that take dentistry very seriously, your mouth is the dirtiest part of the human body. It has the maximum bacteria. Now, if we don't take care of our oral hygiene, we end up actually causing a lot more damage to our body than we can actually think about. People in Pakistan have different perceptions on old wives' tales which are more important to them than the knowledge of the 21st century. My request to all is please read up, educate yourself on the different treatments, and realize the drawbacks of not having them. People think that if they don't get scaling done, it's perfectly fine. Most of the problems people face when they come to our practices that we have a hard time explaining them what scaling and polishing is all about. Not to mention the rest of the oral hygiene procedures, like for example, brushing twice a day. Flossing is mandatory. People think flossing is insignificant, which is very wrong. They should actually understand flossing is as important as brushing their teeth. Mouthwashes, oral rinses, they are all very mandatory. Plus, please visit your dentist after every 8 months, no matter who he is, where he is. Go to him, get your generalized cleaning done. That would actually save you from a lot of other problems. Also, the fact that dentistry is actually not expensive. It's the delay which causes the cost to increase. So don't delay your treatments.